A lot of persons are used to pancake swap on Trust Wallet to swap their coins, to swap whatever coin that you want to swap. All right, but not all coins are actually swappable on pancake swap, especially those that are on BSCAN. All right, there are some coins that are actually on coinswap.space. All right, so in this video, let's just look at how to use coinswap.space, coinswap on Trust Wallet. All right, how to connect it, all right, around to your Trust Wallet is just simple, very simple. Let's just do that right now. So you might want to subscribe to this channel to stay tuned to stuff like this, videos like this, all right, because most persons make mistakes and then they lose large values of their coin when trying to swap coins or trying to send coin from one wallet to another. So it should be these videos, a lot of my videos are detailed enough to take you around the entire tutorial on how to do most of these things, because when you don't do them right and then they get lost, most times they are unretrievable. All right, I retrieve coins, but there are most cases that are actually unretrievable when you send it directly to totally wrong source. All right, so for that not to happen, you have to watch this video to the end and listen to every detail that I have to share with you in this video. So see you. Now, the website that you might want to go to is coinswap.space. All right, coinswap.space. All right, and it loads up this way, app.coinswap.space. All right. Now, when you get to coinswap.space, now you are going to have yours on the dashboard like this. All right, this is how the dashboard look like on the desktop, and on my mobile phone it looks different. So you're going to see the differences. I'm going to do this on laptop and do it on the mobile phone so that y'all can see the differences, the mobile phone version and the laptop version. Now you can see the dashboard, you can see tokens, then you can see pairs, and you can see swap. All right, when you want to swap, is this option you want to use, that swap option. That's what you want to use for swapping. All right, when you click on swap, you can see this little setting here where you can set your slippages. But before you do go ahead to conduct swapping on this platform, now if you click on that visa card there, it means that you want to actually buy coin with your visa card, and you don't want to actually do that. All right, because you're not buying coin with visa card. So the first thing that you are going to have to do, all right, so we're not buying any coin right here, so we have to exit here. So the first thing you have to do here is connect your wallet. All right, connecting your wallet, there are so many options you can use here. Now if you're connecting MetaMask, if you have MetaMask attached to your laptop, you can just click on MetaMask and it will connect automatically. All right, but you're having Trust Wallet, if you're doing this on your mobile phone, you can just click Trust Wallet and it will be connected on mobile phone. And then if you are having, let's say you want to use your Trust Wallet on your desktop, so you can use this wallet connect, which is within your Trust Wallet, all right, to connect it. All right, I believe you already know how to do that. So once you connect, then you can use the swap interface just the way swapping works on pancake swap, just the way pancake swap works. So now we're going to do this on a mobile phone now and see how it works well. So on a mobile phone, this is, you have to go to dApps and then click on enter the website there. All right, then you have to switch the smart chain there, the Ethereum there, to smart chain, just like you can see. So by now you have accepted all the terms and conditions, and then you connect your Trust Wallet and everything will just be connected automatically because you're actually on Trust Wallet. Now I have some BNB that I want to swap to this coin called EX, that is 𝐿𝐼𝐻𝐿𝐼𝐻 also. All right, then I've copied the contract ID, paste the contract ID just the way we do on pancake swap and the coin reflect. Now I'm going to swap it right now, and then have to enter the amount I want to swap the coin with. All right, and that's the quantity that the coin can be swapped with such an amount of BNB. So buying BNB on Binance, you just have to go to your Binance app right here, just like I've gone to Binance app. You see I've bought BNB. You can see I have about $14 worth of BNB there. And then I go to my Trust Wallet and copy the BNB address. The BNB, alright, BNB right here. Copy the address, BNB. Then go back to Binance, then click here, then click withdraw BNB.
Then what I'm withdrawing is BNB. Then paste the address right here, paste it here, and then max, enter max, and then I'm withdrawing that amount. Then click withdraw, and then hit the withdraw button, and then code, send code, send code, send code, and then you have code sent to different devices. So I have to go to my email, copy those code, and come back and paste it appropriately. So first of all, copy this one that I sent to email. All right, scroll up, right click, copy, then come here, paste it in here, paste it then here. All right, copy this, paste it. All right, paste it here, then submit, and that's all. Bam, it's gone. All right, so that's gone. In 15 confirmation, the BNB will be evacuated from this wallet.
Now that I have some more of BNB, I have to go into my dApps again and then enter coinswap.space. All right, and then go to the website. Connect already by now. My website, my wallet's already connected. As you can see right there, smart chain and everything is already connected. Then I have to go to swap. All right, swap. All right, you have dashboard there, you have swap there. Then this coin the contract ID of this coin have already been pasted here, so the coin is already added to the list of coins here. So now I will have to have entered the different coins. All right, I'm swapping from BNB to EX. All right, I've entered the amount that's max. All right, and then I'll be having about 519 ES coin with about $11.41 all together. All right, that's transaction fee plus minus is added, everything is added up. All right, then the swap has been completed. Now if you scroll all the way down, you discover that the BNB has actually been reduced, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will see the coin. All right, that coin was listed today. The Elite X coin was listed today, so the value has not yet displayed. So in no time the value will be up and running when it is properly augmented. All right, so I believe by now you understand this tutorial, and if you've come to this point of this video, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and then show some love. All right, show some love. All right, so see you in my next
YouTube. Besides the keyword research options, there are more benefits.